Why doesn't your hair grow? Is it because you've never tried this? Even bald people get lush hair by using this in shampoo. Hair grows a lot and doesn't fall out. It's the best recipe in the world for hair growth. And the best part is, you won't even spend $2. For this, we'll need a transparent shampoo. Use your preferred brand. Any will do, Mrs. Maria. Now, we're going to take a bit of the shampoo like this to add the things that will enhance our homemade recipe. We'll start by cutting the okra into small pieces like this. Okra is rich in vitamin A, essential for scalp health, and vitamin C, important for collagen production, a protein that aids in hair follicle health. Besides, it's incredibly rich in folate, which helps in cell renewal, including scalp cells. Put the okra in a bowl and add 200 milliliters of very hot water, then close it. Let it sit for 15 minutes. This will help release all the properties of the okra we just talked about. Now, before you ask me, but doctor, my recipe looks like a slime. Is that normal? It is, Mrs. Maria. After this time, you'll see the water will turn into a slimy texture. This is excellent for your hair. It's what will strengthen your hair strands, stimulating collagen and keratin production. Now let's strain this mixture. Add a tablespoon of sugar. It will help remove dead skin cells and hair product residues, assisting in maintaining a healthy scalp and promoting hair growth. Now, the cherry on top. We'll need castor oil. This here works wonders on hair. It nourishes and hydrates strands, recommended for all hair types, especially if your hair is dry. It's rich in ricinoleic acid, which has anti-inflammatory properties and can help stimulate hair growth. A tablespoon is enough, then mix everything very well. And how will you use it? You'll transfer this mixture to the shampoo bottle and fill it up. Now shake it very well to mix these ingredients with your shampoo. Done. Let it sit overnight. And then how will you use it? Using this shampoo is easier than taking candy from a baby's mouth. Look. My volunteer will wash your hair as usual, massaging the scalp well. Look, everyone, how wonderful. Besides accelerated growth, it'll leave your hair super clean, the scalp will breathe, and thus you'll have long, strong, and shiny hair. Don't think it's nonsense. Nature is powerful. And 99% of the expensive beauty products you see in stores nowadays use natural ingredients in their composition. This tip is worth its weight in gold and is very effective. If you watched till here and liked this information, leave the phrase "I love nature's things" in the comments. And if you can help me, share this valuable tip with your friends and family on WhatsApp. A big hug and God bless you all.